I tried Ellipal Titan Hardware Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first got my hands on the Ellipal Titan Hardware Wallet app, I thought it would be just another cold storage device. But after 7 days of testing it out, the shocking truth is that this thing feels like a vault in your pocket, and it's built differently from anything else I've tried. From the moment I opened the box, I realized Ellipal isn't playing around. The device itself is completely air-gapped, meaning it never connects to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or us. Instead, all transactions are done through QR codes. That's right, no cables, no networks, and zero risk of being hacked remotely. During setup, I paired the Ellipal Titan with its mobile app, and within minutes, I was managing Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a wide range of altcoins directly from my phone, but with full hardware-level security. Most people think hardware wallets are complicated, but Ellipal's design makes it surprisingly simple. The app scans QR codes for signing transactions, and each one felt fast, secure, and smooth. I tested sending and receiving multiple coins, and everything worked flawlessly. One thing that stood out was a tamper-proof metal design. The wallet literally shuts down and wipes itself if it detects any physical intrusion. It's like Fort Knox in hardware form. However, there is one catch. Since it's completely offline, you can't just plug it into your computer or connect to dApps directly. For some advanced users, that might feel limiting. But for anyone who prioritizes safety over convenience, this trade-off makes total sense. By the end of the week, the shocking truth was clear. Ellipal Titan isn't just secure, it's peace of mind in your hand. If you're serious about protecting your crypto from both hackers and human error, this device and its companion app might be one of the smartest investments you can make.